What's going on, guys? Here's the Golden Cards Magic channel on YouTube, and in this video I'm gonna be teaching you one of the easiest and the best sandwich card tricks in the world. And there is none of that because it is not for beginners, but in fact for everyone who loves magic, and in fact I am one of them. And in fact it is simple, you will learn it fast. So to start this card trick, I'll try to get the two kings, the king of hearts and the king of diamonds. So I will go and look for the two kings, and yes, there is the two kings, yes, absolutely. And what I'm gonna be doing next right now is after I get the two identical cards, I will ask the spectator to pick any card from this 52 cards. And for example, let's just spread the cards, and for example he chooses the, for example, let's this one, the jack of spades. Let's get something other than a big check card. For example, this two of spades, yes, that's very good. I'll try to put it about around the center of the deck, and I will go to Hindo shuffle. So it is hopelessly lost, and I'll try to do overhand shuffle. And right now I'll ask the spectator to say 1, 2, 3, and I will find his card in just 3 seconds. So let's try this. Right, 1, 2. Yes, I found the spectator's card. Yes, it is the two of spades, the spectator's card. So let's move on to the tutorial. So right now I'll try to explain the gag sandwich for you. So what I'm gonna be doing, what you are going to do in fact, is get the two kings, the king of hearts and the king of diamonds. I like to use these two kings, the king of hearts and the king of diamonds. You can use anything you want. Just get two identical cards. Then you tell the spectator to pick any card he wants, so you spread the cards normally, and the spectator picks any card. For example, it is the 9 of clubs. What you are going to do next is control the card to the bottom of the deck. So first I'll try to control it to the top. So it is right now at the top of the deck, and I'll control it to the bottom using a standard over the hand shuffle. Alright, so it is on the bottom. Then you tell the spectator count 1, 2, 3, and I will find your card in just 3 seconds. Alright, so you go and put the two kings in this position. The first one, it is from the top, the other one it is from underneath. Your thumb, it is on the king of diamonds in this case, 3 fingers under the king of hearts, and your index finger, it is under the selection, and you try to do this action. So you will end up in this position where you have the spectator's card. I can't in fact explain it slowly, so I'll try to explain it with more details. Get the two kings, the spectator's picks any card, it is the 5 of hearts. You control the 5 of hearts to the bottom. I'll try to put it around the center. Alright, so it is about the center of the deck. Then I'll control it to the top first. I do a standard over the hand shuffle. It is right now at the bottom of the deck. You go with the two kings, you put them in this position. Alright, you do the same thing one more time, and you will end up with the selection, the 5 of hearts. So in fact it is very simple, you will learn it by yourself. It doesn't need this whole explanation. And I would like to say thank you a lot for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel for more awesome video. So yes, see you guys in the next video.